Alright guys, so too bad a lot of you guys said you missed the live stream like for the free mentorship class. So unfortunately I will not be too chanced from next week because I'll be very busy plus trading and all this good stuff. I'll be very busy, so I want to use this opportunity to make this video and recap on like at least the most valuable strategy I would want you guys to focus on when it comes to trading. So let's get straight. So as you can see, if you zoom out on your chart, you can clearly see the whole price movement. Like this is the whole price movement. All this is not important, right? The only important thing is what price is currently doing now. As you can see, I'm using Australian dollar, AUD USD, or AUG dollar, the 1 hour time frame. You can go down to the 15-minute time frame if you want to, but for a clear structure, I would most times like to understand the movement of price. I would go to the daily time frame. Overall, the price is in a downward trend. Let me just draw it out. You can see the price is in a downward trend. Don't mind the trend line, it's not that important, right? I'm just trying to show you the trend. This is a downward trend, so let me take that out. That's a downward trend. Yep. All right, so as you can see, price did not make a new low. Let me show you what I meant by price did not make a new low. Price was going down, up, down, up, and price did not make a new low, breaking below this lowest point here. If price had gone down like this would have signified a continuation in the market's trend. So price did not go down below these lows, and guess what, it started going back up. So this would be a change in market structure. And the area in price where I would say, okay, price really validated the change in market structure is when price came back, broke above these highs, and started going back up. My main area of interest is the 1 hour time frame. Right? If I'm to zoom out a little bit, you can clearly see that at one point in time, price made these lows, went up, made this new low again, then price went up, changed, broke above this structure here. Assuming price maybe went a little bit up like this and broke below this market structure here. Assuming price went a little bit up like this and broke below this structure here, then I would know that okay, this is a change in this is a continuation to the downside, like this is a continuation trend. But unfortunately, price made these highs and broke above this swing high here, this highs here. So this is indicating a change in bias, a change in market structure. So I'll be looking to take a buying trade. I'm looking to take a buying trade because price did not make a new low, breaking below this low, like a lower low. Instead, it made a high, it broke above and came back to retest. So I would not suggest you take a trade right at that retest, because it could be a fake move, right? Price could want to manipulate people into thinking that it's going to buy. So let's assume you took a buy here now at the breakout of this candlestick, and you took a buy here. So as you can see, price broke out, came back to retest. Most traders will literally put their stop loss below the below the low of that candlestick that broke out. Then if that's the case, then you lost this trade. But if you are a more conservative trader, then your stop loss is going to be slightly maybe below the swing low that price made before the breakout. If you are a more aggressive trader, then you could have put your stop loss down here and get it taken out. But personally, I would not take this trade because this could be a manipulation in price. Price could just fake people out into thinking that it's going up, then fake people out also into thinking that it's going to go down. So when they start seeing this bearish candlestick, some people might be selling, and it fakes them out a little bit and goes back up and stops them out. And all of you guys buying, price literally manipulated you guys up and stopped you guys out at the same time. So both buying traders and selling traders, based on this break of market structure here, are going to get destroyed. My own preferred method of entering this kind of trades is after the retest. I want to see price break above these highs. The highest point price got to after the breakout. Sometimes price might not retrace, it could just keep going up. It depends. There's no guaranteed way of price movement. But what I'm saying is, when you see a setup like this, you should know what to do. So that swing high that price made before the move to the downside is my area of interest. So I will set an alert here and just walk out and go do something else. I'll set an alert here, and once price breaks above this swing high here, then I will be looking to take my trade. But I will not be taking my trade just because of a breakout. No, I need to see a retest. Guess what? I need to see a retest of that same trend line. Let me make that clear. So this is that same trend line. This trend line is my area of interest, hands down. Like let me just plot it out so you guys can see it clearly. This trend line is my area of interest. This market structure line is my area of interest. The only reason why I did not take my trade at the entry here is because this could be a fake move. I wanted to be sure, because I know that if price should take out this swing highs up here, break above it, comes back to retest it, then I'll be looking to take my trade. You can even take your trade here. Like this is an engulfing candlestick. It's a beautiful way I would take this trade, an engulfing candlestick here. My stop loss slightly below that engulfing candlestick, and my take profit this swing highs here. Or you could just say a 3-to-1 take profit, simple and short, sweet. This trade went straight into profit, and it's easy, guys. Trading is very, very easy. Like this took me literally no effort at all to spot this kind of setup. Like if you can trade like this consistently, I promise you will make money in the market. So, but let's just assume that you don't want to take a trade on the 1 hour time frame, then you can go down to like the 15-minute time frame for an entry, or even the 30-minute time frame. But let me show you what I would do on the 15-minute time frame. There is a strategy, there's a way of entry I used to teach my main student, my paid student. There's a kind of entry I showed them here on the Discord, but this is still an engulfing candlestick. Let me just show you guys that one. That's free, so I can show you. So this is an engulfing candlestick, and like I said, 3-to-1, beautiful setup. Or you can take these swing highs here, and as you can see, price went in profit up here. So that's pretty much it. There's no fancy, there's no there's no special way of entering, there's no special way of exit. Just stick to the plan, trade this exact same way, go up to the 1 hour time frame, look for market structure shift, and wait for the breakout. Do not take the breakout. Wait for the retest. Do not take the retest. Wait for the breakout of that highest point, of that first breakout highest point. That will give you a more I would say a more solid entry, So that's it for this video. If you guys found value in this video, for you guys that missed the live stream, this is just a way to compensate on that. This is exactly, I think I showed this strategy, but not as in-depth as I did like this, because I was in a rush yesterday. I wanted to go do something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop me a comment, drop me a like, drop a sub, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's your boy Tobina, and I'm signing out.